Welcome to the Handa Foundation. Over the past 25 years, Dr. Handa's initiatives have impacted the lives of millions of people in Southeast Asia. In 1996, he began his work by founding the Sihanouk Hospital in Phnom Penh, which has provided free medical care to millions of people. Only a few years later, in 1999, he built the University of Cambodia, one of the country's largest English language universities. In 2012, Dr. Handa created the Handa Foundation with the vision of serving some of the poorest communities in the remote provinces of Southeast Asia. Presently, the Handa Foundation manages Cambodia's largest emergency hospital in a city called Battambang, which provides life-saving care to over 14,000 people each year, including half of the country's landmine victims. Our mobile medical team also travels from village to village, providing free health care to thousands more. In 2013, we built the Handa Medical Center, which trains local doctors and nurses while also providing care to more than 24,000 patients per year. The Asian Hospital Management Association recently honored the Handa Medical Center with 2 Excellence Awards. And the same year, the entire campus went green with the installation of a new array of solar panels. And talking about going green, a model farm was built in 2014. With support from USAID and the World Vegetable Organization. At the Handa Model Farm, farmers in the community learn ways to increase their income, while families learn to grow an adequate amount of food for themselves. The Handa Sports Center was also established that year for children from the community to enjoy football, volleyball, and basketball completely free of charge. In 2018, we partnered with Save the Children and the government of Cambodia to open the Handa Academy. The academy enrolls elementary-age children from the nearby villages in Battambang and provides free education in key subjects such as English, computers, sports, leadership, health, and hygiene. One of Dr. Handa's guiding principles is inclusivity. So in all of these programs, the Handa Foundation strives to ensure equal opportunities for all, regardless of age, race, creed, color, gender, or physical ability. We are a family of Buddhists, Christians, Muslims, Hindus, Shintoists, Jews, atheists, and others, working together towards the goal of changing the lives of the less fortunate. As exciting as the last decade has been, nothing quite prepared us for the challenges we faced in the last year. In March of 2020, as the country mobilized for its response to the global pandemic, the Ministry of Health asked the Handa Foundation to join in the fight. We answered the call by transforming one of our medical wards into an isolation ward for COVID-19 patients. And many of our best doctors and nurses volunteered their time to learn how to properly care for COVID-19 patients. When businesses and factories closed down, many of the families who sent their children to the Handa Academy lost their household incomes. The staff of the Academy helped them make it through the year by arranging a weekly distribution of food and clothing. Sadly, in October of 2020, Northwest Cambodia experienced its worst flooding in over 100 years. Undaunted by the floodwaters and difficult circumstances, our medical staff volunteered to travel from town to town, distributing supplies to displaced families and providing free medical care to those in need. Despite all these new and unforeseen challenges, we continue to train our staff, to upgrade our equipment, and to build new facilities to serve the less fortunate. Our hope and plan at the Handa Foundation is to continue serving more and more people every year. A lot of our progress over the past decade has been possible because of the support we receive from our International Advisory Board and our world-renowned team of patrons. Our sincere thanks go to our partners at Stanford University, the London School of Hygiene and Tropical Medicine, Curtin University in Western Australia, USAID, AmeriCares, MedShare, and the Royal Government of Cambodia. These important programs and partnerships are of course only possible because of the tremendous generosity of Dr. Handa and his friends, both in Japan and around the world. We want to give a special thanks to Dr. Handa himself. He is not only a generous philanthropist, a remarkable businessman, a dedicated Shintoist, and a talented artist, but also a man who decided at a young age to help those who are less fortunate. From all of us who see all that you do, Dr. Handa, thank you, and happy 70th birthday.
Thank you, Dr. Handa.
Thank you, Dr. Handa.
Thank you, Dr. Handa.
Thank you, Dr. Handa.
Thank you, Dr. Handa.